Good morning guys, today is Saturday. So sobrang maulan po nitong linggo na to. Tapos yung mga bata pumapasok ng late 2 hours delay ang school. So everyday may tumatawag na galing sa school. Nagda-drop sila ng message na madidelay yung pasok next day. So yun. So for the whole week is ganyan yung pasok ng mga bata. So nung Monday wala silang pasok kasi sobrang lakas ng ulan tapos nag-snow din. Hanggang ngayon, today is Saturday and it's still raining. So dito ako sa loob nagluluto ngayon kasi malamig sa labas at saka maulan. Yan, so yung gamit ko, tap natin dito guys. Since wala akong lutuan sa kusina, ito bumili ako ng pot. De kuryente siya. So, ayan. So, nagluluto ako ngayon ng fried rice with spam. So, ayan na yung ating carrots at saka sibuyas, itlog. Ayan. So, yan. Paminsan-minsan binubuksan ko yung pinto para lumabas yung ibang usok. Tapos, binuksan ko rin tong CR kasi may blower dyan. So, para ilabas na rin yung amoy ng niluluto ko dito. So, yan. So, tinanggal ko na yung mga halaman dyan. Nilipat ko dito sa kabila. Yan, kasi dito tapos na. Yan, may basahan kasi nagdilig ako kahapon. Tapos, napadami yata yung tubig na nilagay ko. Tapos, nag-drip dyan. Anyway, yan, nilipat ko siya dyan. Yan. So, yung ating mga halaman is still healthy. Ayan yung alugbate. Still doing good. And then yung mint natin, medyo dumadami na rin. Ayan yung sage. So, naglagay ako ng luya dyan. Sana tumubo. So, ito yung ating basil. Dito tayo sa kitchen. So, ayan guys, naglagay na sila ng kalahating drywall dyan. Tapos, inayos na rin nila yung wirings. Yan, naglagay na sila ng water line dyan para sa fridge. Yan guys, at dito naman naglagay sila ng water line para sa pot filler. And nag-install na rin siya ng recess light. At saka dito sa pantry, meron na ring ilaw. At saka yung laundry natin, naglagay na rin siya ng ilaw. Yeah guys, for the last couple days, it's been raining non-stop.
I've never seen that place open.
They're open on Sunday. Yan, tignan nyo guys ang baba ng fog. Baba ng ulap. Dito kami guys sa pizza place. So nag-order kami online and then we're going to pick it up right now. So today is Saturday, so it's almost dinner and yan yung magiging dinner namin. So seems like there's a lot of people to tonight is pizza night. So tinamad ako magluto kasi nga umuulan dun sa labas at saka sobrang lamig. So nag-order na lang kami ng pizza. Si Mr. yung pumasok sa loob para mag-pick up ng pizza. Yan, taas ng tubig. Ito, baby.
Looks like there's a train coming.
Pizza boy! Hey, where are you going?
Ah, pizza boy.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Alright. Meron akong ice cream. Ay, nako. Grabe talaga tong araw na to, guys. As in, ano siya? Ano talaga today, guys? There you go. Yan. So, naglinis kami ng konti dito sa kwarto kanina. Yan. So, yan, inorganize ko yung mga gamit dito sa dingding. Kasi, ang gulo-gulo na. So, pag nagluluto naman ako na hindi umuulan doon sa labas. So, today, talagang ang lakas ng ulan. So, yan. So, yan ang ating pizza, guys. What is in here? Let's see. Cheese. Bread. And then pepperoni pizza. Ooh, yan yung aking gusto, yung may mga gulay-gulay, bell pepper, mushroom. Yan. At saka ito. Ano ito? Ba't ang dami? Oh, another pepperoni. Kasi yun yung gusto ng mga bata, yung pepperoni. At saka maliit lang yung pizza, kaya dinalawa ni Mister. Tapos, ano ito? Meron pa dito. Extra. Oh, okay. I don't know how you say that. Hindi ko alam kung ano yan. Minsan lang kasi kami mag-order sa ano na to, shop na to. Ayan yung ating breadsticks. And then marinara sauce. And today is like snuggle day. So, nilagay namin yung isang mattress dito kasi yung mga bata dito matutulog sa Monday. Ayan. Yung aming mga gamit. Good morning, guys. As you see, they're already starting working on the floor. And now they were pouring all the leveling concrete. So from here in front of our door to the room next to the kitchen.
It's gonna explode. I want to take off the cover. What happens if it does that? What does it mean when it does that?
It's just the thing.
I like to leave game.
You know where everything's going? Move some of it over there.
Yan guys, update tayo sa ating flooring. There you go. So ito na siya. So ito yung cabinet natin dito. Ayan. So hindi pa sila tapos dito. Pero yung ating hallway tapos na. Yun. Yung leveling grout is tuyong-tuyo na talaga siya. Ayan. Kaya nag-install na sila ng flooring kanina. Tingnan mo. Ayan. So tapos na rin dito. Diretso tayo sa kabila. Yan guys, wala nang gap dyan. So, yan guys. Bukas baka tapos na to. So, kanina dineliver itong mga flooring namin. Yan siya. So, grabe, ang bigat pala ng ano na yan. Yan. So, update tayo guys dito sa ating kusina. Meron na siyang drywall. Ayan. Hopefully this until weekend matapos na tong flooring lahat. So kahapon nagbuhos sila ng leveling grout kaya dito kami natulog sa aming kwarto sa baba.
Hi guys, it snowed last night, so it's really pretty. mention that I love her lots? Okay, just in case. Alright, taking another video for my wife. There's the field. There's the church. There's Mama's car.
Luluto ako guys ng pinamatisang baboy.
Right here. So they got the flooring done.
Yeah.
So you started working on the mantle?
Yeah. Let's see.
Yeah.
So this is the mantle. He's fixing it today. He just add a little bit in the top. Oh, wow. Look at the kitchen, guys. They already put the leveling today. Wow, it looks so big. So all the rooms there has already leveling grout.
Yeah, except for the dog's room. The dog's room's not done yet. They put everything in the dog's room.
Okay.
All their equipment and everything.
Mm-hmm.
The dog's room will be the last one that they do.
Okay.
Unraveling of one such nanny. Actually, this nanny is me. And why I'm telling off the teddy bear is the subject of this field diary. If by chance my reports stereotypes or geographic... No!
They started patching everything up here. All the holes where they did the bracket.
So kaninang umaga, dumating na yung ating mga kitchen appliances. Ayan. Hindi na natin na-videohan kasi ang aga nilang dumating. So ito yung ating fridge. Ayan. Yan yung oven. Tapos ito yung dishwasher. Alright. Nice. And then ito yung ating cooktop. So, yan guys, yung ating kitchen ngayon. So, nag-wirings na sila. Tignan mo, may mga bago ng wirings. Diyan. Tapos sa taas. Sa ating pantry. Ayan, wala pa tayong sahig dito. Pero buhusan na to, kaya easy na lang yan. Ayan, looks nice. So, dito tayo sa laundry. Ayan yung ating laundry. Meron pang natira dito kasi may tinatapos sila na plumbing dyan. So far, so nice. Ito yung ating bahay ng aso. Ayan. So, nandito lahat tinambak. So, ito bubuhusan din to. So, yan na yung pinakahuling part. Tapos, maglalagay tayo ng ceiling fan dito. Kasi pag summer, sobrang init dito. So, yan muna yung ating update, guys. Thank you.